Concerns are growing about the other lawsuit challenging Youngkin's order. A judge ruled in favor of 7 school boards and temporarily blocked the order. But now there are questions about whether that judge should have recused herself from the case because her husband is a teacher in one of the school divisions. Matthew Torres verifies if the judge properly disclosed her connection.
Our sources are the counsel from both parties. The Office of the Attorney General of Virginia representing Youngkin and John Cafferkey, the lawyer who represented the 7 school boards. Concerns over a possible conflict of interest came to light from conservative groups online after Judge Luis DiMatteo ruled Governor Glenn Youngkin's order to make masks optional in schools cannot override a state law that requires schools to follow federal health guidelines.
The judge does have ties into the school system, having an educator in the family.
The Arlington Circuit Court judge has a spouse who teaches in Arlington County, one of the 7 school districts in Virginia, to sue the governor. In statements to WUSA 9, the attorneys from both parties say DiMatteo disclosed the information about her husband through a conference call 2 days before the hearing. Attorney John Cafferkey says neither party objected or had an issue with her remaining on the case as judge because it's not a conflict. He went on to say she was not legally obligated to inform us of that. So we can verify, yes, the judge made it clear her connections to the Arlington school system.
Sometimes things require recusal depending on the nature of a potential conflict, but sometimes, they don't.
GW law professor Jessica Tillotman says it appears since she did not have a legal requirement, the judge made an appropriate move.
So here she did what we would expect in something, where you either would recuse or disclose, and then, under the certain circumstances, then, the decision makers can take it from there.
Critics aren't fully convinced that was enough.
We should be doing everything possible to eliminate any view of a conflict of interest, and it doesn't seem like that happened in this case.
Now, even though the judge ruled in favor of schools, the governor's team says it plans to appeal the case. And remember to email your questions to verify at 13newsnow.com, and we'll look into it for you.